today's video, I'll be showing you how I make a pumpkin spice cheesecake. Hello YouTube, welcome back to Cooking with Sugar. And if you're new here, welcome. Ingredients I will be using: some pumpkin pie spice, okay? Some pecans, some flour, 5 eggs, some white chocolate, cream cheese. You can see there's 4 things in here. I'm going to use all 4 of these. I'm going to use some canned pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix, but just the canned pumpkin, okay? Some caramel topping, some brown sugar, and some white sugar, okay? And right here I have my measuring cups and a measuring spoon, okay? Oh, did I mention the graham cracker pie crust? If not, I'll be using this as well, okay? Okay, if you want to make your own pie crust for your cheesecake, you can get 1.5 cups of graham crackers, and you want to break them up real fine, okay? And then you want to add a 1/4 cup of butter on top, and mix them together real well, and then flatten them out like this until you get your pie pan, whatever you want to call it, and press your crumbs down like they do in the store-bought one. Okay, I added my canned pumpkin to a bowl, and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of the flour, okay? And you're going to make sure you don't leave it like this. You want to level it off so it can be a complete, 1/4 cup, nothing over, okay? I'm going to add that. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of the pumpkin spice, the pumpkin pie spice, okay? Same thing. You want to make sure you got it even. And I'm making a mess, of course. Okay? Okay. And then you just want to mix it together. And after you got it well mixed, you just want to set it aside. Okay. You're going to need 1 cup of packed brown sugar. And what they mean by that is you measure it in the cup like this. Brown sugar can get so hard sometimes. Like, okay? And you want to pack it in there to get an accurate cup. When they say packed brown sugar, I almost just spilled all that. See? I can get a little bit more in there. Pack it. So you have 1 full cup. I added my cream cheese to my mixing bowl, but you can also use a handheld mixer as well. I'm going to mix my cream cheese on medium speed until it's smooth and creamy, okay? And you want to start your mixer off slow. You don't want it flying everywhere. Okay, I'm going to turn this back on. It's going to be loud, so you're probably not going to be able to hear me. But what I'm going to be doing is adding my sugar, the white sugar, and the brown sugar in slowly. Okay? Stay on medium speed, okay? Okay, now that we have our sugars incorporated into our cream cheese, we're going to turn this on low speed, or your hand mixer on low speed, and you're going to add an egg at a time, okay? Which mainly means let one yolk fall in there at a time. Okay, if you can. If not, then it's okay. All right. So we're gonna put that on low. Okay, now we're gonna turn this back on low, and we're gonna add our pumpkin mixture into the cream cheese. Okay. Okay, now that our mixture is ready, we're gonna pour it over our pie crust. Okay, and then we're gonna bake this on 300 for an hour and 25 minutes. Okay, you just want the edges to be set, and you want the middle to be slightly jiggly, not all the way set like the edges, if that makes sense. Okay, I'm just gonna pour it over the pie crust. Please make sure the cream cheese is room temperature before you get started with it. Okay. Okay, I forgot to mention that mixture makes a 9-ounce pie crust as well as a 6-ounce one. But if you're using a 9 inch cake pan, the spring form one, and making your own pie crust, you would not come out with two. You would just only have one, but it would be a deeper dish cheesecake. Also, you want to line a baking sheet so that if this spill over, it will not spill over in your oven. The baking sheet will catch it. Okay. This is what they look like when they're done. Okay, we're gonna let these cool for about 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, then we're gonna place them in the refrigerator for 6 hours. And after that, we're gonna add. Okay, while the cheesecake is in the refrigerator cooling, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up pecans, however you say it. Okay. Now you can chop these up as fine as you want them. You know, it's totally up to you how big of the pieces you want. That should be good enough for me. Like I said, you can chop them as small as you want them. You can leave them as big as you want them. Totally up to you. Okay? Okay. Now that our cheesecake have been in the refrigerator for about 6 hours, we're going to take it out. And now we're going to add the toppings. Okay? We're going to add the pecans. Like so. You can add as much or as little as you like. Up to you. We're going to add the caramel. Just going to drizzle it on top. Okay. And then we're going to add the white chocolate. We're going to also drizzle that on top. You can use a spoon, depending on how. And I put this in the microwave for a minute. It doesn't matter what kind of design you come up with on the top, as long as you got it up there. Now, if you don't like white chocolate, of course, you don't have to add it. You can add dark chocolate, semi-sweet, or the bittersweet chocolate. But I'm going for the white chocolate. Okay, there you have it. Our pumpkin spice cheesecake. I'm going to plate some up. Okay, this is what it looked like plated up. I just added some more caramel sauce on the plate for presentation. You know, when you get to serve it up, you can do that, you know, or you can choose not to do it. It's totally up to you. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you like what you saw. Please share this video. That would help a lot. I really would appreciate it. Comment down below and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.